You have Oppo A5x 5G smartphone and you want to hide your applications, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, scroll down and then select security and privacy. Again scroll down and there you will see the option of hide apps. Click on this and then click on get started. Firstly, you have to set a privacy password. Click on settings. You can set a 6-digit password or you can select pattern, 4 to 16 digit, alphanumeric, etc. Here I'm selecting pattern. Draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. Now you have to select any of these backup options. You can select questions, recovery email or linked account. Here I'm selecting question. Answer the security question and then click on done. Click on get started. Now select access via dial pad. Now you have to set an access code to access your hidden application. Click on settings and then set an access code. But keep in mind you have to start your access code with hash and also end it with hash. For example, here I'm selecting hash 1234 hash. After this, click on done. Click on done and then select add applications. It will show all the applications which are installed in your smartphone. Select the app you want to hide. For example, I want to hide my Gmail. As you can see in my app drawer, you can't see Gmail. And if I want to access this, then I will open my dialer and then type my access code. So that's how you can hide and access your hidden application in Oppo A5x 5G smartphone.